Alright, just a quick update. I got pretty much the front completed. Done. I ended up cutting some pieces of the 3/4 plywood to make these sections. Not the prettiest, but it's better than straight board. That was not gonna work. But I also did realize that when I was making this one, which I was thinking that I needed it for when I put the panel on the inside. Oh, there goes the light. Back it up. Back it up. And I did this one initially to be able to secure the panel on the inside, but then I realized once I put the insulation, then that's gonna go away. So I did another one. So this the purpose of this one is for me to attach the secure the panel on the inside. This how it looks from the inside. So the insulation will go here, which I already cut all the pieces. Everything was cut up. The pieces are there, and I did label them. I just cleaned the floor. So then I can decide I'm gonna put some silicone on all the edges. And you know, so it's, I guess, nice and sealed. And then I plan to put another piece of this 1/4 inch on the floor, just so it's more sturdier. Yeah. And I was messing around with how I'm gonna run the wires. So I figure there's something I do know already. It's like I want a light switch right here. So I put this here. I already ran the wires since they're gonna be behind my insulation. I got a red and a black for the power that goes to the light switch, and another red and black that will go to the actual light. A little porch light I intend to put outside right there. Go straight out. So yeah. Plan to put my batteries outside, up in the front. So the wires will come here. We got one hole. Each hole is for a specific light. So this one is for the porch light. I got one more for an outlet that I'm gonna mount right here. This one is gonna go all the way to the back. Then I have two here. One is gonna go for the light, ceiling light, and this one will be ceiling light, and then this one will be for the fan. And then I have one here that's gonna go for another outlet on the other side. So outlet, ceiling fan, ceiling light, and so they're like that. So I plan to run those wires once I put the panel on the inside. And if I think I need another cable, I'll run it. So yeah. So I gotta finish that in the bag. I got the fan in today, so I did that part. So then I just gotta put those, finish all the way to the back, stop side rails. That's it. That's the update. All right, just a quick update. I went ahead and bought some brown silicone and seal all the interior edges. Why? Because. So this whole side is gonna be, or should be, sealed from the floor. I don't know, maybe air gaps. And I intend, so I did the front. It's kind of hard to see on this light, but where my base, my 3/4 inch plywood on the floor is connected to my 2x4, and then the 2x4 to my 1/4 inch floor, and then 1/4 inch floor to my 2x4. So this whole thing, when it's all done, it's gonna be all covered with silicone. Just want to make sure it's nice and sealed, even though it'll be covered, but yeah. All right. Still gotta work on finishing the top, but as you can see, I do have silicone on the edges. All right, that's all I have for today. All right, another update. I have put in the insulation that is on this purple foam. I have things 1 inch. I actually glued it to the wall. Not sure if that was right or wrong, but it is glued. Can't take it back now. So what I'm doing right now is working on trying to make this side the 1/4 inch panel that I'm gonna put to cover that, which I'm over here, which I'm tracing, taking about 1.5 inches from the top and from the bottom as well, and I'm gonna cut it out, trace it. Also took some from the side that's gonna be in the front, which is also about 1 3/4 inches. And then I'm gonna see if it fits. Hopefully I didn't cut it too small or too short. Too big wouldn't be a problem. And so I was also thinking how I was gonna get the paneling here. Well, that is why I didn't really finish that section right there, because I'm thinking I'm gonna have to slide the panels through there to come inside. Yeah, they're not gonna fit through the door, so or from the top. Will be interesting. All right, that's it. All right, quick update. I'm working on the inside walls. And yes, how did I get the walls in and how did I get inside to nail them? Well, I came in the back, not that comfortable, and I was bringing the panels in through the top, that big gap there. There was a lot of in and out, trying to get the panels just right. Little adjustments here and there. So what I did one side, then I used it as a template to the opposite side, which only needed some minor tweaking. I put glue on the 1x3s and 1x2s that I have running vertical, and so I glued it, and then I put some nails, 1-inch nails, to hold them in place, and hopefully that's enough to get them all glued. And now I'm gonna have to cut the door so I can get in. So yeah, good times.